Thank you so much for making it through this tutorial series. I've had lots of fun coaching everybody through it, and I hope you were able to follow along well. We've certainly accomplished a ton of great features within your Airtable CRM. As a recap, we did a ton of work within the CRM and learned lots about different functions within Airtable, how to set up the different tables, how to link them together, how to use pre-filled forms and buttons to log an interaction. And then towards the end, we set up some reporting features which are really useful for any team, regardless if you're sales or in a team adjacent to the sales team. This is our last video in the series, and I'm going to be walking you through how you can really supercharge your CRM to make it do all sorts of cool things. And I'm going to be giving you a few ideas on how you can implement those, but we won't actually go through the execution of it together. The first way you can really supercharge the CRM database is by using automations. The automations, you can do a ton of different things. You can send automated follow-up emails, you can create tasks for your different salespeople. So if a new lead comes in, you can create a task that says, hey Sarah, go reach out to John because he just came in through our funnel. And after that initial reach out task for Sarah, you can create all sorts of follow-up tasks that she can continue following up, either in a weekly basis, or if he gives her the heads up saying you can call me next week, then she can pick a specific date next week and be able to create a task for herself to be able to follow up on that lead. The second way in which you can power up the CRM is by turning it into a order fulfillment and project management tool all in one. So let's say if you are a custom gift company and someone has ordered a gift for their friend, an order comes in and you need to have your artisans create a special product that is custom made for that client. You can assign different artisans throughout the different phases of your product, and they can also collaborate with you by letting you know they have not started on that product yet, they are in progress, or they are complete and that product is ready for shipping. So being able to capture the project management aspect within this database is really powerful, because then you can have everything from start to finish, from when that client comes in as a lead or as a referral, all the way through to when their order is fulfilled. As a project management tool, Airtable is also very powerful, because let's say if you sold your client a PR contract that lasts for 3 months, and within these 3 months you have certain deliverables that your team has to do. So you may create a new table for all of the different deliverables that you're providing to the client, and assigning different people from your team with different statuses on those deliverables and different phases, so that you can know exactly how many deliverables are within that PR contract and when those deliverables have been completed by your team. The third way to supercharge your CRM is going to be capturing the profitability for each opportunity or for each deal. For example, if you are a product company and you're sending 1,000 units of a product to your client, you know that within the production phases of that product, you've used a certain amount of money on materials, you've used a certain amount of money on labor. You might also have an external system that helps you calculate the value of the machine hours you used. And if you can pull all of that information into Airtable, what you'll have is the total cost for that deal. And if you have the total cost for each deal and you know the value of each deal, then you can very quickly get to a rough profitability figure as well. It's especially rewarding for us to be able to build systems that your business can rely on, and especially rewarding when you're working out of a few different systems and 15 different spreadsheets and it's just getting way too confusing. So if you have any Airtable needs that you need an expert to help out on, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Our website is AirOpsConsulting.org, and if you want to book an initial consultation, my Calendly link is down below. Thanks so much for watching the first series. Once again, we're AirOps Consulting and we help our clients with all of their Airtable needs.